In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SVG files in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to bring crisp, scalable graphics, like logos and icons, into your project without losing quality. First, a quick note on why SVG is special. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and unlike regular images made of pixels, SVGs are built from paths and shapes. That means you can make them tiny or massive, and they'll stay perfectly sharp, which is ideal for brand assets, UI elements, and illustrations that need to look clean at any size. Let's get started. With your document open in Affinity Photo, head up to the menu bar and choose File, then Place. This is important. Place brings the SVG into your existing document as an object you can position and scale, rather than opening it as a separate file. It's the most straightforward way to add vector artwork to your current canvas while keeping things organized. When the file dialog appears, navigate to the folder where your SVG lives and select it. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct file, especially if you have multiple formats of the same artwork. Choosing the SVG version ensures you keep that clean, resolution-independent quality throughout your design process. Click Place to confirm. Now, move your cursor over the canvas. You have two easy options here. If you click once, Affinity Photo will insert the SVG at its default size. This is handy when you trust the original dimensions and want to keep things consistent. If you click and drag instead, you'll draw out the size manually as you go. Dragging gives you more control right from the start, especially if you're fitting the graphic into a layout that already has a specific space reserved for it. Once it appears on the canvas, you'll notice how crisp the edges look, even when you zoom in. That's the vector advantage in action. You can confidently scale the placed SVG larger or smaller at any point, and it will remain sharp. If you see slight aliasing while previewing at unusual zoom levels, that's just the screen preview. The underlying vector stays clean. To recap, the workflow is simple. Go to File, Place, choose your SVG, click Place, then click or drag on the canvas to insert it at the size you want. SVG files are vector-based, so they remain sharp at any size, making them perfect for professional, flexible graphics inside Affinity Photo.